am here again today with another I tried following somebody's video. Y'all seem to like the last one that I did, and I asked y'all for requests and if you wanted me to do any more of these. So a couple people said that they wanted me to do a NAPTURAL85 video, of course. There are other videos that I plan to do in the future along this same theme, but I have somewhere to be at in a couple of hours, and so I don't really have much time to do my hair. And I really should not be doing this right now, but you know, why not? So I am looking at NAPTURAL85's video, and the one that I'm choosing is the Fluffy Undefined Twist Out and Refresher. Well, I shampooed and conditioned it yesterday, and then I let it dry and twist. I think I did it yesterday. Yeah, I did it yesterday morning, and so it dried and twist this morning. I kind of combed them out a little bit and just put it in a bun. And so this is what, oh my goodness, it smells really good. Oof. Oh, it smells really good. So this is what I'm left with. I think we're about to start the tutorial.
All right, so like I said, my hair is looking crazy. This is what happens when you take a curl former set out and then sleep on it and roll around and possibly sweat because you have a really bad fever. So yeah, my hair is looking crazy right now. But I'm gonna show you how to refresh it. So I'm grabbing a pretty large section in the back, and we're gonna make these nice and large so that our twists end up super fluffy. I've been really into using conditioner water lately. It makes your hair really nice and soft. So I like to grab a natural conditioner. That way I know it's not
natural conditioner. Okay, let me try to find one. I'm not sure if this is extremely natural, but it does have a lot of no's, like know what they don't have on the side. So I'm just gonna use this one. I'm just putting it into my spray bottle here, just a few pumps, and then I'm putting the rest with water. And I actually do this all the time with other conditioners. This is how I make leave-in if I don't have like a store-bought one.
And then fill it with water, and then just give it a few shakes, and you have conditioner water.
There we go.
It's awesome. So I'm spraying a little bit into my hand, and then I'm applying it to my hair, and I'm doing this so that my hair doesn't get too wet because I do want this to dry pretty fast.
Yeah,
I'm gonna seal
I need this to dry pretty fast as well. All right, so I did not clip up my hair, but let me do that. After I conditioned my hair, I did add a little bit of leave-in. The leave-in that I added was Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner. She just puts them in her hand. Okay. I have a smaller spray bottle, this one, and this is what I use whenever I don't want my hair to be saturated. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do what Whitney does.
I'm gonna seal all that moisture in using my homemade shea butter cream, and I will put a link in the description box or somewhere on screen for you guys to check that out. And I'm just massaging it in.
So here's my shea butter cream.
And I'm combing it out using a wide tooth comb from ends to root as well. This is optional. My hair tends to dry pretty quickly, and since I'm working in small sections within this larger section, I really don't want this section to dry out and get puffy and all that before I can set it. So I'm just twisting it up really quickly just to get it out of the way.
I'm confused because this is supposed to be a fluffy twist out, and if I did my hair this small, I'm gonna go ahead and do it, but I already know this is not going to be fluffy. This is going to be very, very defined. So I'm not really sure. I'm trusting you, Whitney, but I don't really think that this is going to be fluffy on my hair.
So grabbing another deformed curl former piece, and I'm going
to be puffy, not fluffy.
With my conditioner water, spraying it in my hand, and applying it throughout the section while finger tangling. I'm going to seal all that in with my homemade shea butter cream from ends to root, working that in really well, and then I'm going to comb it out with my wide tooth detangling comb. And again, this is optional, but I'm just going to add those two together while I work on the other sections within that larger section.
I don't really do twist ups or any other style without using gel. So, all right, I'm just going to quickly twist this like she did and leave it fluffy at the ends like she did. What's next?
So grabbing another deformed curl former piece, and I'm going to rehydrate it with my conditioner water, spraying it in my hand and applying it throughout the section while finger detangling. I'm going to seal all that in with my homemade shea butter cream from ends to root, working that in really well, and then
She detangle first? I can't remember.
Working that in, applying it throughout the section while I work on the other parts of the section. So grabbing another deformed curl former piece, and I'm going to rehydrate it with my conditioner water, spraying it in my hand and applying it throughout the section while finger detangling. I'm going to seal all that in with my homemade shea butter cream from ends to roots, working that in really well, and then I'm going to comb it out with my wide tooth detangling comb. And again, this is optional, but I'm just going to add those two to work on the other sections within that larger section. So just
okay, so now we untwisted that, and we're going to twist it with the other one.
Two more little curl former pieces within this larger section.
What are we doing?
Same process to both of those. And since this is the last section, I'm just going to release the other twist. I'm going to group all that hair together, and I'm going to make one large 2-strand twist. Now, usually when I do twist outs, I like 2 flat twists to get little small defined sections, but I really don't want a lot of definition here, which is why my section is so large. So I just twist all the way to the bottom, and when I'm done, I just let it go so that it can naturally puff up on itself, and that's going to give us a nice undefined texture. And then just repeat. Okay, so what I'm gathering is that she just wanted an easier way to detangle. So when I have done curl formers on my hair, it is kind of similar to perm rods in that it is a little bit difficult to detangle. So I'm not starting with my hair in that state. My hair is pretty much detangled, so I don't think that I have to moisturize in these small sections like this. I think that I can just, you know, lightly dampen my hair, add the shea butter mixture, and then twist it, because like I said, I don't have very much time, and this is going to take me forever to like twist up those little sections when really I just want to make some big flat, really I just want to make some big twists. So what I'm going to do is just add in my shea butter, and my hair feels really dry at the ends because I did not seal in the moisture yesterday after I added the leave-in conditioner, which is not a good idea. I just wanted my hair to not really have anything on it while like before I did my hair. So I'm just adding my cream to the end. Detangling. I know she used a wide tooth comb, but this is my favorite thing to detangle with, so that's what I'm using. And then I'm just going to, oh, it feels dry. It just feels dry, y'all. Okay, and I'm just going to twist it up. Now my hair at the ends, they're kind of blunt. I did have my ends trimmed, I think in January. I'm going to add a lot more water because that is the only way that I'm going to be able to have it to curl. And I'm also adding more of the shea butter mixture. I'm going to detangle it a little bit more. Okay. I'm actually going to use my small tooth comb to do that. All right. Repeat that same exact process. Okay. Figure out how big the sections are. We're only on the other side. Okay. Oh, girl, let me catch up. And when you're done, you're going to
I'm not done. I'm not done. Okay. So maybe she told me how many.
Like a bunch of fluffy twists all over your head. I think it ended up being like 4 or 5 sections on each side. You want these to
okay, so maybe like 10 total. Okay. So water. It's funny when I'm doing these I tried following videos, I feel like I have to finish with them. Like I feel like I need to be done because she's done, but then she sped up the video, so really I can't be done. But I feel like I have to hurry up so I can finish. Like, you remember those like 10-minute makeup challenges? I think that I'm doing like a 7-minute hair challenge because she's done in 7 minutes. Finished, and I did lay down my edges and put my scarf around. I only have 8 twists overall. I did cheat at the ends a little bit because I don't really trust my ends the way Whitney trusts hers, because my ends without gel, I don't really trust them like that. So here it goes. And I think she has her hair parted down the middle. I like to part mine on the sides. So these are just some very minute changes, but I am following her tutorial. So we're gonna see how this goes. I do have to leave. I'm gonna take my camera with me. Hopefully I remember tonight to vlog and show y'all the final results. But if not, I will show y'all when I get back home. So I will talk to y'all soon. Peace. This is my hair at the end of the night. This has already straightened itself out. This is still pretty defined, but I really do like it. It is very fluffy and it's undefined, and I'm going to retwist it tonight so that I can wear it again in the morning. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I do plan on doing a couple more of the ones that you requested in my previous video. If you want to see me follow someone else's hairstyle, please let me know. If you want to see me follow not just a person, but like an exact hairstyle, I'll try to get that out to you as well. Just leave your request below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you do that, because summer is coming up, and what that means is that I'm not working, and so I'm going to be focused on making more YouTube videos and getting them out for y'all. Let me know what you thought about this video. Was it a hit or a miss? And I will talk to y'all soon. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.